Alam niyo ba na isa sa charismatic gifts of the Holy Spirit ay ang gift of knowledge? This gift is more than just knowing facts. It's the grace to understand God's truth and to explain it in a way that touches the heart. Kaya kung gusto talaga nating maging effective missionaries in our work of new evangelization, kailangan nating hingin ang gift na ito. Dahil ang mission natin, to make Jesus known, ay magagawa lang natin kung mapapaliwanag natin confidently and clearly the good news that we are proclaiming. So, let's ask the Lord for the gift of knowledge so that we can bring more people to meet, live, and share Christ.